We're currently at the pre-open at the Nigerian Stock Exchange, and I'm just looking at the insurance subsector index. That index is now 0.36% in the green. But if you look at over the last 7 years, it's been all the way what you call a dive down from 2010 to 2017. That sector is after the market boom of 2004, 2005, and 2006, and 2007. Since the meltdown 2008, it's been largely on a downward trend. Tajuddin Ibrahim from Chapel Hill, Denham, head of research, still here. This speaks to what we're saying about the stocks in insurance, in the market. We have a few big boys, but largely they're lukewarm. Yes,
largely a lukewarm because of their business approach and also because they don't really pay dividends. So investors will be looking out for, number one, the fundamentals of businesses before they invest, and number two, they'll be looking for returns. And those two are not really the characteristics of many of the small insurance companies. And that is why, partly speaking, we think they should consolidate. When you consolidate, you strengthen your competitiveness in the industry, and you also bring together some kind of products that will be, largely speaking, appealing to the retail segment of the market, because that is where the money is.
So, if in terms of what to do, Shola Oguniyi on Twitter, one of our viewers, says, in my view, what the insurance industry needs is innovation or technology, new products, and increase in capital base. You agree with this?
Absolutely, I agree with him. We put it in there in the report. The first thing we believe that should happen is that there should be some kind of products that will encourage more Nigerians to patronize the insurance industry. And that, largely speaking, must be life-related products, because we are talking about individuals in this case. Or let me say some kind of short-term product that will add value to any policyholder. Then secondly, we talk about technology, because technology is essential when you look to play the retail segment of the market. Now, as we speak these days, banks are able to service their customers more efficiently because they now use technology more efficiently. We talk about ATM, we talk about POS, we talk about online banking. We should have this kind of product distribution channels as well in the insurance industry. That is when we'll be talking about value addition to me as a policyholder.
So perhaps the lackluster performance of listed insurance stocks is tied to the fact that the local investors who are to buy these shares perhaps don't have life insurance as well. Or so they have none at all.
Many of them do not have. And we probably should be pressing regulators on that front, because if not, for instance, for the compulsory group life policy that is pension-induced, if not for that, and also annuity product, which is also pension-induced, if not for those two key factors, by now the life insurance industry should be like dead. But with the aid or support of those two, we are seeing hope of improvement, and we are seeing increasing inflow into the industry in terms of life premium income. Those are supportive.
Okay, hold on a second. We got one of our viewers. He also says it's a nice analysis from you. He says, unfortunately, I differ with him and other people calling for insurers recapitalization.
I'm sure he probably hasn't looked into the books of these insurance companies. We have looked at them. We have researched them. There are some of them, as we speak, that have negative...
Perhaps he wants consolidation.
Consolidation...
Rather than recapitalization.
Consolidation is, as I said earlier, is most likely going to be inevitable. Let me take you back to memory. In 2007, when the NICOM came up with recapitalization of the industry, a number of insurers could not make it. They had to consolidate. With that, that led to a reduction in the number of insurance companies in Nigeria from 103 to 49.
Very interesting. So 10 years after, let's see what happens. Maybe that will happen in the new year.
Most likely.
Thank you. See you again.
Thank you.
Tajuddin Ibrahim, head of research at Chapel Hill, Denham, trying to analyze that latest report. You may want to read it up here. That's not an advertorial. It may just enlighten you on where insurance is going. Perhaps you need to put more money where your life is. That's about all for today. I'll see you again tomorrow. Goodbye from Lagos.